Hi everybody, this is Miss D. Welcome back with another video with me. Okay, as you know, I do short videos, so we're going to get right into the video. Okay, tonight we're going to talk about nebulizer treatments. Okay, now this is a nebulizer. This is the tubing that is hooked to the nebulizer machine. Okay, it's hooked to the machine, and then the other end is hooked where you're going to put your nebulizer, your medication. Okay, you're going to put it right here. Now there's three parts to this. 1, 2, matter of fact 4, 3, and 4. Okay, now just say you got to give your child an albuterol treatment. Okay, you cannot just take an albuterol. It comes in a little tube, something like this, but it's a white tube. Okay, they also can give your child a normal saline, which is this here. So just say we're going to give them a normal saline. Okay, you just cannot take it and just squeeze it into this. It's not going to infuse right. This green piece has to fit down in here first. All right. That green piece always have to go in. Then you squeeze your medication in. Without this green piece, it's not going to infuse. So remember to put the green piece down. It's like a little green hat. Look, see? Just fit it down. Then squeeze your medication in. Once your medication is in, you put this piece on. It screws right on top. And now, this piece fits right in there, okay? You have your tubing. What did I do with it? It fell down. Here. And the other one goes to the other end goes to the nebulizer, okay? And this here is going to hook between the tubing. I don't have the tubing to show you, okay, how it hooks, but it's going to go down to a tube. It's going to hook onto a tube. If let's say a child is on a ventilator, okay, it's not going to go directly into this. No, it has other little pieces that actually go into this, okay? And as you go on to a new job or whatever like that, the nurse would actually show you. But I want to show you the main thing, because sometimes I have done that. I have forgotten to put the little green piece in. I put my medication in there, and then I put this on, and then it's not working. You know, where is it coming? It won't infuse, okay? Then that's medication is wasted, okay? So always remember to put the green in there first, then put the top on, okay? Then connect it to the tubing of the child, and then turn the machine on and let it infuse, okay? Another thing I want to tell you too, that I had to learn that. And even though the doctors, sometimes the doctors have that on the orders, but sometimes you just don't actually could see that. But if he has more than one nebulizer treatment, it works. How can I say it? It works in a certain way. Just say he's supposed to get albuterol. And then he's supposed to get, what's that other one? Oh, I can't think of it. He's supposed to get albuterol. Hold on for 1 minute. Let me just try to think. Advent, albuterol, Advent, and normal saline. Okay, you just cannot just say, well, he has to get 3. Then you just put the normal saline. Then you do the Advent, and then you do the. It doesn't work like that. It works together in sequences. Okay, albuterol normally goes first. You understand me? So if you see an order where it says he got to get 3, he got 3 treatments he got to get, albuterol usually goes first. Always albuterol. Okay? then Atrovent. So it's like albuterol breaks it up, then Atrovent comes back and it just pushes it more. Just say it like that. And then the normal saline, okay? It goes in sequence, in order. Albuterol, Atrovent, normal saline, okay? Never normal saline, albuterol, always albuterol, Atrovent, normal saline. So you're going to put the first one, don't put them all three in here together. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Just put the albuterol in, let it infuse. When it's finished, open it up, put your Atrovent in. Turn it on, let that infuse. And if he has one for normal saline, once that infused, put the normal saline in there, okay? You might have some orders where it just say albuterol, okay? And maybe you won't give Atrovent, not unless it's a PRN or normal saline, a PRN, okay? So always look at your orders. Always look at your orders, okay, and see what you're going to get. Maybe one child is just only going to get, they have one called Zofenex, I believe. It could be infused too, okay? They won't have albuterol. So always see. But if it has albuterol, Atrovent, and normal saline, put it in that order, okay? Not unless the doctor says otherwise, okay? All right, so we're going to, I want to tell you about this here nebulizer treatment. Another thing we're going to talk about before we go, your child might be on a pulse ox continually, okay? You know what a pulse ox looks like. I don't have the machine here, but it has settings on there, so you always have to check your settings, okay? But I want to show you this. Excuse me for 1 minute, Phil. I call this a Band-Aid. And this is the piece that goes on the child's foot, okay? So you actually have to take this piece and put it here. See that little black part? I always put it right. That black part goes right. Let me take it off. See the wide part here? That's the wide part. Put the black part right there on the wide part, okay? This goes around the child's toe. So just say this is his toe, my finger, thumb. You're going to place it on the toe or the finger. We can go around the finger or the toe, but most of the time we're going to put it on the toe because some children got their fingers in their mouth. Okay, most children got their fingers in their mouth and all that kind of stuff. They just doing all kind of stuff up there. So you're going to have it on the toe when they're in the bed. Okay? But so just say this is my toe. I done put it on and I done wrapped it around. Okay? And this part here hooks into another piece that is connected to the pulse ox. Okay? You can also change it and put it on the foot. Okay, just say that's the foot. And you wrap it around the foot like that. And normally, if it can't go all the way around, you just take it and put some tape on it to hold it. Now, one thing I want to say to you about the pulse ox, when you have a child that's on this here continually, please change it, rotate it, because this burns. It actually burns their skin. It will break down their skin and burn it. So don't have it, you're just too lazy, you're going to go in there and you see that the chest on the foot, it's on the right foot, or it's on the right toe, the large toe, and you just see it there and you just don't want to change it. Just imagine having something hot on your toe or your foot constantly, 24 hours. It's going to burn. It's going to burn. So when you go in there on your shift, if the nurse has it on the left toe, you take it off on your shift and you put it on the right toe. And sometime before you leave, you take it back and you put it on the foot before you leave. Just rotate it. It's not going to take but a minute to rotate it. You just have to put in, sometimes with this here, I call it a Band-Aid. I really don't know what they call it. I need to really look that up as much as I've been using it. And you know, I haven't even heard any other nurse call it. We just say Band-Aid. We're the Band-Aid for the post ox. Okay? It only take a minute to rotate it, to keep the child's skin from breaking down. Okay? Don't just go in there. And I have gone in there and I've seen it because I know that same tape was on there 2 days ago. And they still, you know, I can't understand why. Then now you're trying to put A&D ointment and everything, trying to heal it. When that could have been avoided because you just rotate it, okay? All right, so I just wanted to tell you that. Just rotate the pulse ox. And also, too, sometimes this piece can wear out. Okay, because you done moved it so much. But they get new ones. They get maybe at least 4 a month. Okay, so maybe, you know, and maybe even 2. So one could last 2 weeks, another will last whatever, you know. And some just get 4. Want to be changed out because these cords, if you rotate it like you should, this will get weak. Just imagine this like on your phone. You keep pushing it, trying to charge it. It started getting weak and breaking it down. Just change it, okay? All right, I want to tell you that. I think that's it. And put the tape on there. And that's all we're going to talk about right now. Okay, so you have a good evening. And thank you again for tuning in to Miss D. All right, bye.